Hey kids, welcome back to English Always, a channel to learn English all day, every day. Today we will learn how to pronounce the letter B of the English alphabet. Go, go, let's go! The second letter of the English alphabet is B, and we pronounce it B. B, B. This shape of the letter B is called a capital letter. A capital letter. We use it at the start of the sentence. This shape of the letter B is called a small letter. A small letter. We use it in the middle of the word or at the end. Are you ready for some examples? Let's go! Words that start with the letter B. Bread. B. Bread. Bike. B. Bike. Words that have the letter B in the middle. Elbow. B. Elbow. Doubt. Doubt. Wait a minute. Why didn't I pronounce the letter B in this word? Well, because the letter B likes to slip in silently before the letter T. Doubt. Doubt. Words that end with the letter B. Cub. B. Cub. Lamb. Lamb. Another word where I did not pronounce the letter B. Well, because the letter B also likes to silently follow the letter M at the end of the word. So we write it, but we don't say it. Lamb. Lamb. Calm. Calm. Thumb. Thumb. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time. Bye.